The Weather Service just released some figures saying it was more like January in March than it was like spring weather. We have had a lot of snow this winter, and our mayor is tired of it. So we officially declared we were over it, that we were not allowing it to snow, but that didn't seem to matter. It's snowing anyway. In the 20s, feeling like in the teens. And I know there's going to be some roads closed on this, so be careful. Check all your road maps. But you know it's going to be treacherous out there. We've had so many accidents on the highways. Be safe.